As April 15th approaches, many entrepreneurs find themselves in a precarious position. The deadline to file 2023 taxes are looming, and the first quarter estimated tax payments for 2024 are also due. If you've been caught off guard by a larger than expected tax bill, perhaps an inadequate tax plan or projections from your accountant, or if you're facing cash flow issues, it's critical to take action now. What if you can't make the estimated tax payments and the 2023 tax return? Number one, file on time. You can avoid the penalties for failure to file because the IRS will charge penalties for not filing your tax return. Number two, if you can't pay off the whole thing within 6 months, then you need to contact the IRS to get an installment plan and an agreement. Don't just ghost them. Number three, prioritize payments. You need to look at where you're spending your money and what's coming in and what's going out to readjust and to reallocate your spending. Number four, consider a short-term loan. There might be cash coming in the future that you could pay the thing off, but you got to continue to make quarterly estimated tax payments throughout the year. So don't get caught off guard. Penalties and interest for not paying your taxes. Failure to file penalty can add up to 25%. So you want to make sure you get in on an installment agreement. There's also interest that can start adding up. Budgeting and cash flow management. Number one, review your expenses. Cut non-essential expenses and renegotiate terms with suppliers and vendors. Accelerate receivables. Follow up on outstanding invoices and consider offering discounts for early payment to improve cash flow. Number three, delaying payables. If necessary, communicate with your suppliers and vendors, extending terms. Be cautious not to damage these critical relationships. Number four, cash flow forecast. Project your cash flow for the next few months to identify potential shortfalls and plan accordingly. The importance of tax planning. Tax planning is crucial in reducing your tax liability. So many people don't know how to do tax planning, or they're not experienced with tax planning. I hear story after story of people who are hired to do a tax plan and it botches up. You really want to be careful and vet the people that you're hiring. For me, I've got over 23 years of experience in tax and accounting. I used to work for the Internal Revenue Service. Credentials are really important. I'm a Main Street certified tax advisor with Mark Kohler. I'm a certified exit planner advisor. I've got so many credentials and I take a lot of classes and education to make sure that I'm helping my clients to stay on top of things. As a CFO, I'm helping clients to budget, to forecast, and to pay the least amount of taxes. Taxes are the biggest expense that we have over our lifetime. We got to reduce those as much as we can legally, ethically, morally, and put money back in your pocket. Strategies for tax planning. Maximize deductions. Ensure that you're taking advantage of all available deductions and credit. Contributing to retirement accounts can reduce your taxable liability, especially if you're rolling those over into self-directed Main Street approach to invest. A lot of my clients use the Main Street approach to invest in their own businesses, real estate, and to take advantage of all the loopholes that are available to them. Number four, quarterly estimated tax payments. Regularly review the amount that you've made and adjust the withholdings and adjust the amount that you need to pay. In conclusion, if you're facing a hardship this tax season, you want to take action steps to reduce your tax liabilities and to plan. So reach out to us if you have questions or if you think that you're overpaying your taxes. Remember to communicate with the IRS, to prioritize payments, and to seek professional advice from experts and credentialed tax planners to navigate this challenging period. Remember, tax planning is a year-round endeavor that can significantly impact your financial wellness. Reach out to us if you have questions, and we'd love to talk to you more about tax planning and how you can reduce the amount that you're paying, because most likely you're overpaying your taxes by too much. And let's figure out how to reduce it legally, ethically, and morally. Give us a call.